Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I am very happy to make this announcement that I have finally launched my AFM detailed recorded batch. Friends, I've been working a lot on this particular lecture. Why? Because I wanted to make this extremely simple with three major parts. Part 1, concept. You should understand the concept, you should enjoy the concept. So for that I have made a detailed conceptual lectures with examples so that you understand each and every concept, and I have added more and more examples so it's very much clear. Part 2, problems. Ultimately in the exam, what comes in? Questions. So after learning the concepts, I will give you examples in such a way that when you go to the problems, you will be able to crack the past examination questions. For that, I will be giving you one detailed book also, which is called as the AFM Mastery. This is a 1200-page book, friends. It covers 450 plus questions. It is updated up to the latest examination. So once you learn this, you are absolutely updated and you're learning so many past examination questions. By doing so, when you go to the upcoming exam, you will be all ready to crack it. Not only that, I will also give you one more book which is called as the ODB book. The full form of this book is One Day Before the Exam. The importance is that, friends, one day before the exam, you cannot cover 400 questions. So I have made another book which has only 150. These questions will be only to be done one day before the exam. Less questions, maximum adjustment. So for example, in Forex, you will have a question which will cover futures, forward, money market hedging, everything in one place. So by doing that one question, you revise entire adjustment. Are you understanding my point? By doing so, you will be able to score very good marks, friends. And those of my past students who have followed this rule, friends, I'm teaching the last 50. Those of you who have followed this rule have easily scored exemption. You can ask any of the past students. Not only that, friends, I am also an IBBI registered business valuer and also a SEBI registered research analyst. So I know how to analyze the stock markets. I know how to value business. These are the two practical areas which get in the future. Everybody clear? So I am also sharing with you the practical insights in this particular lecture in a limited extent so that it helps you to give you motivation to take up valuation practice or stock analysis in the future. Apart from this, friends, the biggest advantage is that one concept is one video, one problem is one video. You don't have to sit through a lecture of 1 hour and watch it continuously. Whenever you want, you can take a video, watch it, make notes, understand, then only go to the next lecture. By doing so, in limited time, you get very good clarity on the concepts. You also get very good clarity on the body. Clear? The biggest advantage of these lectures is that it is easy to update. So for example, if a new RTP comes in, I will record each of the questions of the RTP separately and add it to the relevant parts in the chapter. By doing so, the recorded lectures that you buy, suppose you're writing exam in the upcoming January 2020, it will be updated until that, friends. So by doing so, you are not losing out on any of the concepts. You're not losing out on the problem. You get updated lectures. So I hope you will enjoy learning from these lectures, and whatever feedback you have, always get in touch with me. I am also giving a live doubt clarification session, friends, so that those of you who are watching these lectures, whenever you need support, I am there available for all of you. I hope this is clear to all of you, friends. Study well. Any support required, get in touch with me. Thank you so much.